good I want to cry. Hey guys, it is Sunday, so we're at the end of the weekend. We're gonna go for a little shop in Kmart and then do groceries and boring stuff like that, but we'll take you along. Let's see if we buy anything.
Just looking at pots.
That's so boring.
We're just looking at pots. That's what we're doing. What? Just looking at pots.
Take one of those. It's not very exciting. Hey, I remember you said you were going to buy a new mop and then you would mop more.
Yeah.
That hasn't happened.
Yeah, because I haven't bought a new mop yet.
Yeah, we'll buy one then.
Yeah.
Hey, this is a cute kettle. Babe. This is very cute. How much? $39. These are nice. Babe, these are nice. Just going for a walk because it is a lovely day. So just getting a little bit of exercise in.
Core strength.
0. That's so hard.
It is hard.
Oh, I can't do it.
You sure about this one? Don't fall on your face. I'm serious. Have you done it before?
I can do this one.
Australia's next top ninja.
Hey guys, we have just checked into Crown Metropole. We are having a staycation here for 2 nights. It's currently Friday. We're gonna start getting ready and probably head out for a drink and dinner. So yeah, it'll be a nice couple of nights. Let me know in the comments down below if you're like me and you need to unpack immediately when you check into a hotel. I need to like unpack, make myself at home, you know, put all my clothes away, put all the, you know, all my makeup and everything out, and then I feel like I'm settled in. Elevator, outfit of the day.
Morning. Hi. You're squashing me.
Did you have a good sleep?
It was okay.
Okay.
The pillow was rubbish.
Pillow was like not a pillow. It was like flat.
No.
Today is. Oh, what are you doing?
Squashing.
I'm snuggling up to you.
Squashing me. You're not fitting.
Excuse me. That's rude. So we are ready. Just waiting for our breakfast to arrive before we start our day.
What time? 10:20 to 10:30.
So they have 2 minutes to go till they're late. Okay, what have we got here? Ta-da! Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Ta-da! Well, we ordered the same exact thing as we did last time we came here. Well, did you get 3 hash browns, babe?
Yeah, $6.
go out and I'm wearing this jumpsuit that I got from Seed, which you guys would have seen the last vlog, I think, when I tried it on in store. I'm really loving this. This is like, I think, my favorite thing to wear right now because it's so comfortable and it's flattering and it's, yeah, super comfortable. Wow, first time we got to get Gongcha and not line up.
Yeah. Your favorite?
Oh, we're sharing.
Yeah. You can have most of it.
I thought I was getting my own.
Yeah, you can have most of it.
We decided to venture out into the city.
Yes.
To go look for a present for someone.
We found one.
Mission accomplished. Then we're going to walk back to town where we're going to watch a movie. So excited.
Which you've already watched.
The Greatest Showman is the best movie. Definitely movie of 2018. Maybe like movie of life.
Oh, big call.
It's really good though.
Better than Notebook, your favorite.
It's so completely different.
Yeah, but
It's
you
very
said best movie
epic.
of.
Yeah. I would go there.
Can you get a slice, sorry? So we just bought this, what is it, Japanese cheesecake?
Oh, did you not explain?
No. So what is it?
So like,
I don't even know what it is.
we've been lining up to get this. It's Uncle Tetsu's shop. It's that like super fluffy Japanese cheesecake that's like very popular. And I've only seen like the massive queues outside, but they didn't have a queue at all, so decided to get it.
Yeah, we'll try it.
Searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore.
What did you think of the movie? Did you like
That's
it?
good.
Yeah. What would you rate it out of 10? I would rate it 20 out of 10.
Yeah, I think 9.
What? Oh, come on. It deserves a 10.
It's pretty good.
Oh, it's so good. It's like every time they break into song, like I get goosebumps,
Yeah.
and then it makes me like, it's so good I want to cry.
You just want to like dance.
It's so epic. It's not just that they're singing, it's like the choreography. It's like all that work went into it. Time for a snack. We're back in the room now. So we're going to try this cake, have some Moscato, and have some relax time. Comment down below if you've tried this cake before. I've only just heard about it, never tried it, so I'm curious to see what it tastes like and if it lives up to its hype. Ta-da! Oh, it's so fluffy.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, how much are we eating?
Try. Just a slice each. Let's try. I'm going to go over to the bed. That's yum. Yeah, it's nice. Cheers. Headed out for date night number 2.
Early Valentine's Day celebration.
About to get on a tram to mystery destination that Phil has booked for dinner.
My dream car has appeared.
Oh,
Look at that. It's just beautiful.
yeah, that one is nice.
We have arrived on Smith Street, heading to our dinner destination. Still got no idea.
I can't think of anywhere.
I don't even know where it is. It's around here. We'll stumble across it. Oh, it's here.
it's the next day. We're going to check out. We're going to go have breakfast in the food court first and see what's there. Another elevator outfit. Hey, you going to come in? Elevator outfit. So got conned into buying this abalone congee, which we didn't realise was 40 bucks, and then the lady wouldn't let us change it. And Phil got wonton noodle soup, yeah?
Yep.
So this cost us 55 bucks. Hey guys, it is late on a Saturday night. Well, it's almost 7 o'clock now. We are headed out to have dinner with friends, and we're going to check out the Chinese New Year festival at Box Hill. For those of you who don't know, we just had Chinese New Year, or Lunar New Year, which I didn't actually vlog our like family celebrations, but I totally should have vlogged our dinner from last night. But if you follow me on Instagram, or if you follow Phil on Instagram, you would have seen on our Insta stories the amazing spread we had. So now we're basically just going to continue those celebrations. I am wearing red for the occasion. By the way, I wanted to thank you guys for all your lovely comments on the last vlog about my new hair. All of you guys were so nice about it. I'm still actually getting used to it. Literally every single time I curl my hair like this, I ask Phil if I look funny, because I always start by thinking that I look funny.
We are at Box Hill Festival. We've already had dinner, so we're looking for dessert now actually.
I'm gonna try top tea. We've been told that it's really good, and apparently it's bubble tea that is with cheese. It just sounds really gross.
Can I have a really Phoenix something? Like, this one's spelled this way, this one's spelled another way.
Okay, I'm not blown away. Hey guys, it's now the next day. I'm thinking that we probably won't vlog today because we're just going to be visiting friends and stuff like that. So I wanted to end the vlog here. This is what I'm wearing today. So just a white t-shirt, this skirt here, and this long cardi that I got recently from Country Road, which I am loving. By the way, I haven't actually done hauls. There's Phil blowing his nose. But I haven't done hauls for a really long time. Definitely let me know in the comments if you guys are still interested in watching my hauls, because I'm obviously still shopping, but I haven't been, you know, filming any hauls, so let me know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up and comment down below because we love interacting with you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!